job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you.
Skunk! Come on! I look like a terrorist.
You are a terrorist.
Yeah, you are a terrorist, Zigbar. No, actually, I'm not. Zigbar, I've gone with you on your trips. I know for a fact that you're a terrorist.
Child terrorist.
Oh. I'm winning! No, you're not! Giddy up, Starfire!
Pony.
Yeah! You have to stay in your spot. I know you. I can't see from that side. This is not clear. Where is it though? God, I hope you die out there, Hannah Montana.
Yeah.
I'm not Hannah Montana.
Yes, you are. Don't lie. We know your secret. Miley.
Wiley.
Miley.
Sorry, Wiley.
You wildly Miley.
Your legs are so. Ow! I can't see. Oh God. Okay. Ready? So scary. I can't. You go back. You're too short. They're too big.
Tetherball. It's tetherball. Let's play volleyball.
Do it. Oh.
Do it again.
I know you did almost. 8.
Like showed me her or whatever, and I really liked her.
Did I just kick you or me?
Okay. Beginning.
That was so cute.
So we're babysitting Demix. We've taken him to the park. Superior's orders.
Why?
Why?
Because we want to play.
Because everyone else is doing
There
a
was some
mission.
time-sensitive stuff at home.
Why did I come?
Because you want to swing and play on the ponies.
Okay.
With me.
I'd rather cut myself in.
Action!
What's that one like? Oh, yeah, wait, chicken
This is what they do in their spare time. Spit on hot grills.
Sometimes I lay my face on it. Spit on hot girl. I spit on hot girls because I like girls.
You?
You don't know who I am, do you? No. No, I'm not.
Our little dusk minions.
Right here.
That was a fail.
Oh,
That's terrible. People are staring at us. Oh, that was Aki! Sigmar!
My other shirt.
You're ungrateful!
It's just my other shirt.
Take him down!